Hey, what's up guys, it's Custom ROMs Nation here, back again with a brand new amazing video. Today in this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to install Macos Mojave on your Windows PC. Okay guys, to begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Okay, I've left a link in the description down below for the following tools required for you to successfully install Macos Mojave. Okay, so let's just begin. Now first of all, the first thing you have to do, you need a 16 GB to 32 GB USB flash drive and above. Okay, with me I have a 32 GB. Okay, now on your PC you want to head to this manager and you have to create a partition. Okay, to create a partition, all you have to do is head to Windows, right click there, okay, and shrink volume. Okay, so you're just gonna have to wait for this. Okay, so I don't need to really shrink my volume because as you can see right here, I already created a partition. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys how to create a partition if you want to create a bootable Macos Mojave. Okay, so when this is done, I'll pause this and it was done. Okay, so as you can see, this is a pop-up you're gonna see. As it says here, enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. Okay, so with me, this is how much you can shrink to make it 30 GB. Okay, so you need about 20 GB and above for you to successfully install Macos Mojave. I already did this, and once this is done, you click shrink. Okay, so it's going to create a partition. Okay, so you're going to name that partition to MP1, so I name it Macos. Okay, so once it's done, you head to the files we just downloaded in the link in the description. Click here, open them. Okay, so to see Rufus, we're just going to open Rufus. Click yes. Okay, so this is the pop you're gonna see, and all you have to do now is insert your USB flash drive, okay, into your PC. So set your flash drive. That. Okay, so once it's inserted, all you have to do is click select. Okay, you're gonna head to a file, click here, click open. Okay, so once you see this is done, click start. I do not need to flash my USB flash drive because I already flashed it. Okay, so the process is what long takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast your USB and your PC port is. Okay, so once it's done flashing and the like, all you have to do is power off your PC. So I'm gonna power off my PC and I'll be right back. So as you can see, my PC is off. Okay, so for each and every PC it depends on how you're going to take your PC into boot options menu. So I'm using an HP Pavilion. Okay, so to boot your PC into boot option menu for an HP, all you have to do is tap F9 while your PC is booting. So if you've got an Acer PC, you tap F12. So I'm going to be tapping F9 as my PC boots on. So I'm just going to keep tapping F9. Keep tapping F9, keep tapping F9, keep tapping F9 till you're gonna see boot options. Just wait for it. Okay, just keep tapping it, keep tapping it. Okay, if you do not get into time, all we have to do is power off our PC again. Okay, if F9 doesn't work for you, we're gonna use ESC. Okay, so we're just gonna use this so I can put into the options for itself. Okay, just keep tapping it. Keep tapping in. As you can see here, we have our boot options. Okay, so just get F9. Okay, so as you can see, our USB flash drive is red. So we're just going to head there and click enter. Okay, so our device is booting to Clover now. Okay, so before we install the Macos, all we have to do is head into options. Click there, click on configs, go to config 2, go to return. Okay, head down to here. Head down, click here. So I have NVIDIA graphics, okay, and Intel. So just going to click here, Intel. Head down, USB controllers. Head down, click return. Head down, click start. So these are fixable things. So we're just going to click here on fix display, fix USB, fix LAN, and fix sound. Okay, not really sound because sound works. So all you have to do is click return, return, and click return. Okay, now we can successfully boot into our Macos. As you can see, boot Macos installed from Mojave 2020. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this until our device boot into Mojave. Okay, so we're just gonna click here Okay, this takes quite a bit of time. As you can see here, this is called Macos boot, and right now what it's doing is trying to read your USB flash drive and the options you have clicked for it. So right now it's going to fix the display, it's going to fix the sound, it's going to fix the USB port. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this and we're gonna wait for it to go to our Mac OS. Okay, so this takes to about 5 to 10 minutes as well, depending on how fast your USB flash drive and how fast your HDD or STD hard drive you have on the PC. So I'm just gonna pause this and I'll be right back. So as you can see right now, guys, we have finally booted into our Mac OS. Okay, so we're gonna have to select our language. Okay, so as you can see, we have English, English in the United States, so we just frankly speak English. So just click next. Just wait for it, takes a bit of time. Okay, click continue, click agree, and here says select the disk on which to install macOS Mojave. Okay, so you can select USB flash drive, there's not enough space for this. Okay, so to fix this, all you have to do is click utilities, disk utilities. Okay, so click on macOS Mojave, here's the macOS partition we made, and click erase. Click here and click LPS and click erase. Okay, so once it's done, all you have to do, you can see, all you have to do is head back and click continue, and we're going to see our Mac OS pen drive partition we made, and we're going to click continue. Okay, so this takes about 20 minutes to 1 hour, I think so, depending on how fast your HDD and USB flash drive is. So guys, I'll be back when the Mac OS Mojave is done, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So as you can see, guys, our installation has finished, and once installation is finished, your device is going to reboot itself. Okay, so once it's done, it's going to boot itself into boot manager. We're gonna go to our Clover again and just click enter. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to see another Mac OS which we installed inside the partition we made is finally here. So as you can see, boot Mac OS from Mac OS. So we're just going to click here, and we're finally going to load into our Mac OS Mojave. So I'm just gonna fast forward this and wait until we're gonna reach into our setup. So as you can see, guys, we have booted into our setup, and all you have to do is select our language. Okay, so I'm gonna select United States because in United States server we have the best latest updates of any apps you want. Okay, so I'm just going to click continue, give it some time for the next page to pop up. Okay, and click continue. My PC does not have internet to connect, and click continue. Click continue, and transfer. Okay, click agree. Okay, so I must skip all this process. All you have to do is just put your names there and you're done. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I've created my account. We're just gonna press continue, and right now, as you can see, our account is being connected. Okay, so we continue. Okay, we love the deck mode, and we're gonna click continue. So setting up your Mac. Okay, so we're almost done, guys. So as you can see, guys, we are done, and for the keyboard, just press continue, click shift space, identify your keyboard. If it says cannot identify your keyboard, that's fine. Okay, your keyboard cannot be identified. Just press continue, go here, click done. Okay, so as you can see guys, we have finally installed Mac OS Mojave on our Windows PC. Okay, so this works for any Windows PC. Guys, in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in your Mac OS. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. This is Custom ROMs Nation, and bye.